Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to blur the video background using CapCut. Now let's begin. Right now I'm on my CapCut desktop app and I have a video imported. Let's click and drag it to the timeline. For now I simply want to create a copy and paste it around here. Now on the top navbar you will find something called as effects. Let's click on it and search for blur. There are lots of options for blurring. You can select any one among them. I'm gonna select this one and click and drag it to the timeline. Let's extend the blur to the length of the video. And now for the first two clips, let's create a compound clip. Let's select the two clips, right click, and create a compound clip. You can also do this using the shortcut Alt-G. Let's create one. Now for this video at the bottom, let's click and drag it to the top. If you click on the video at the top again, you will find yourself a menu bar that will open on the top right. There are lots of settings for video, audio, speed, animation, etc. For now, we just need to focus on the video tab and the cutout. Let's go to cutout. And you will find something like auto cutout. Let's click on it. It's processing right now. The processing has been completed. Now let's play the video. As you can see, the background has been successfully blurred out. Let us look at the original video as well. The video went from this to this. And guys, that's how you blur background using CapCut. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.